say this is the western part is called. Then we have another part on the eastern side. So these two parts, the western part is called Lower Assam, and the eastern part is called Upper Assam. So this Gwalporia and Kamrupia, these are in Lower Assam. These are folk song of Lower Assam. Okay? And this particular song we call Tukari Git. Tukari Git. This is from Upper Assam here. Okay. So this is from the Upper Assam, means eastern side of the Assam. So this is another variety of folk song. And of course I told you about Bihu also. That is different. Bihu is different. If I have to end with Bihu, I don't know. But anyway, now we sing one Tukari song. Well, I will take this one.